Hey guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another lovely little crochet vlog. I don't have like a ton of orders right now and I'm not really like too focused on filling up the shop yet. I don't know, I'm just not inspired to like make plushies right now, so I'm taking a little bit of a break and I want to make something for me. I am working a lot on making like gifts and stuff for people already for all the holidays. So that's kind of what I'm focused on right now, but I do want to make something for me. I've been seeing this pullover. It's called the Brain Stew Pullover. It's been floating around Instagram and it is by AidenWellsCrochet. Although this is a knit pattern. I don't knit a ton. Funny story though, I did learn how to knit before I learned how to crochet and I just kind of liked crochet better. I thought it was faster, and my issue with knitting is if I drop a stitch I don't know how to fix it and then the whole thing falls apart, so yeah. But we're gonna try to knit a sweater anyway. The only things I have actually completed knit wise is I've knit a few hats. I used to knit a bunch of like leg warmers and arm warmers back in the day. Those are the only things I actually finished. I started knitting a blanket that's literally just sitting in the basement in a bin somewhere. And I also was knitting a scarf, which I never finished as well. But I know how to knit flat, I know how to knit in the round, I know how to change colors. So we'll see how this turns out. There are a few like stitches in the pattern that I don't really know what they mean, but Google's free, YouTube's free, so we'll figure it out as we go. This is probably not a beginner friendly pattern, but it looks cute and I want to wear it for the winter time because it's like sweater weather. And I bought some really cute yarn. So I'm going to do like the color blocking type thing. There's like a checkered part, but I feel like changing colors that often with knitting is going to be way too complicated for me, so I'm just going to go for the like not changing colors as often kind of thing. So I got this like variegated yarn for the like main body part. This is the I Love This Yarn brand and it is called Daydreamery. So it's just kind of like this pretty like blue and purpley variegated yarn. And then I got this just solid purple to kind of like do a color block contrast thing. And I thought it went well with this. So yeah, we're going to try. We also bought a whole bunch of knitting supplies. So I just got some more stitch markers and I got these little like knitting caps that are so cute. They're just mushrooms and gnomes. But I got those so my yarn doesn't fall off my needles and I don't drop stitches because that'll annoy me. And then I bought this whole like interchangeable knitting needle kit because all the knitting needles I have are straight needles and they don't have like, I have a few like circular knitting needles but they don't have the like size written on them, so I don't know how big they are and I want to use the right size, so I just bought this whole set that comes with literally like every size you need, and it also comes with 3 different cords. Oh, this actually comes with some end caps too, so that's cool. Yeah, but it comes with 3 different cords, so I'll just have this set now if I want to do more knitting projects. So yeah, I figured I would just share with you guys as I knit this. I probably won't finish it in this video. There might be multiple videos, but I'm just going to vlog for a few days and mash up a video for you guys and just take you along for the week and what I work on. So yeah, I'm going to try to start this. I don't think I remember how to cast on, but we're going to try. I don't know if I was doing like a different cast on method when I first learned how to knit, but it definitely was not what I just found a video tutorial for. But the pattern says to do a long tail cast on, so I was like, okay, how do I do that? But I thought that was a cast on I always did. But I used to do it like weird where I would just put it in my thumb, but I guess you're supposed to like, they have me like holding it. I don't know. Whatever tutorial I watched taught me how to do it correctly, I guess. I watched like 5 tutorials and they all told me to do it the same way, so I think the way that I originally learned how to cast on was probably incorrect, or it was a different style. I don't know, but I couldn't find a video on how I used to do it, so I guess this is just what we're going to do for now, and we'll see how that goes. I also hope that I made my yarn tail long enough for the cast on, but we'll see. I'm slowly remembering why I don't usually knit. I'm very confused by the purl stitch. I feel like I'm still doing it wrong even though I've watched a million videos. I just feel like I never know which way to wrap the yarn around, like wrap it over, wrap it under. Like I understand the knit pretty well. The purl gets me. Like I think you're supposed to go, and then I think you just go over the top of it, yeah? Hopefully I'm doing that right. I can never tell because the stitches don't look different. Well, I guess I kind of see maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like I can't really tell if I'm doing it right until I get like a few rows deep. This is gonna take forever. I've done like this much. And it has me doing a ribbing right now, so it's like you have to knit one, purl one. And I feel like the changing the stitches every other stitch is what's getting me at the moment, because it's like I have to remember which way to do it. I definitely prefer knit stitches. I feel like if I was doing all purls it would be easier, but the fact that I'm just switching all the time, I'm like, how do I do a purl? Because I never know if I go like that way or that way. I think you're just supposed to wrap it over. Beats me. Hey guys, so it's been a couple days, but I made some more progress on the sweater I was knitting. It's getting by very slowly, but I finished the ribbing on the bottom and I started a couple rows of the like main body part, but it's definitely slow rolling. I feel like I would have finished half of a crochet sweater by now, but we're getting through. The knit rows are definitely a lot easier than the purl rows. I feel like purling takes me forever, but it's turning out cute. It definitely looks more blue than purple, I think. I think there's definitely more blue in this, but I am doing like a color block kind of thing, so the top section of the pullover is going to be like purple, so it'll be cute. I have a vision, so I'm excited. This might take me 20 years to finish, but anyway, I'm setting this aside for now because I have some other stuff I need to work on. I said I was working on a personal project, and of course I got 2 Etsy orders while I said that, so we have those to make today. But first things first is my son's first birthday is this weekend, so I need to work on some DIYs for that, so it's ready to go. And the first DIY I have is I'm going to make him a little birthday shirt. So his birthday party theme is race cars, so I found this really cute like black and white checkered iron-on vinyl at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use this to make a little cute birthday shirt for him. I think I'm just going to put like birthday boy on the front and then a big number 1 on the back kind of thing. We'll see how that turns out, but I thought this was so cute and I was excited to find this because it fits the theme, so I'm going to make that. Gotta bust out my Cricut. Okay you guys, I finished my son's birthday shirt and look how cute it turned out. I don't know if that's really hard to read because of the checker pattern, but it says birthday boy and there's some flags. It is kind of hard to read now that I'm seeing from a distance, but it's fine. And then the back of it, the number 1 turned out really cute on the back though, I think. But yeah, reading the front's a little hard, but it's okay. it gets the idea done. It might look funny in pictures, but it looks better in person, I think. I don't know. It does look kind of hard to read, but it's fine. I think it turned out cute, so yay, that's done. I want to set up like a photo backdrop because I kind of want to take like my son's first birthday pictures today when he wakes up from his nap. Because I do have like a banner of like all the pictures from like 1 month to 12 months, so I need that 12-month photo for the party, even though he's not technically a year yet, but we need the cute photos, and I kind of want to set up like a backdrop and balloons and stuff and get like some really cute professional photos done with my camera. So yeah, I might do that today. I have to set up one of the backdrops and do all that fun stuff. Hey guys, so we're gonna work on a couple orders today. I have to make a possum and a spider, so we're gonna get those done really fast and then we can work on some more fun stuff today. So yeah, I need to grab all the colors I need for the possum. I think I need to go grab black and gray as well. Alright guys, the possum has been finished. Now I'm going to work on making the spider and then we'll get these packaged and ready to go. It is almost 1 o'clock. My son is still napping, so hopefully we can get this finished before he wakes up. Alright, it's about 1:30. I got 7 legs done for the spider so far. I gotta make 8 and the body still, but my son just woke up from his nap, so I'm gonna go hang out with him for a bit and hopefully I can finish this a little bit later. But yeah, we're gonna go do that. Hello again, you guys. It is much later. It's 8 o'clock now, but I'm gonna try to finish up this spider before I go to bed just so we can get these orders out, because I have a busy weekend with my son's first birthday coming up, so I want to get these out. They're due Friday and it's Wednesday, so we're gonna finish this. Okay guys, I finished making the spider plushie in sage green. So our 2 orders are finished, but it's like 10 o'clock now, so I'm going to wait until tomorrow to package those. I don't want printer's so loud, I don't want to waken everybody up, and I'm tired, so we'll package those tomorrow. So yeah. See you in a second to do that. Okay, good morning guys. Let's package these orders up so we can get them shipped.
What are you printing?
Some stuff for his assigned, but I'm packing the orders really quick. Hello again, you guys. So, it is nighttime now. It is, what day is it? It's a few days later. Is it Monday? I think it's Monday. It's Monday evening, 7 o'clock. I'm just relaxing and making some more progress on my brain stew sweater that I started like weeks ago. It's definitely a slow process. This is just the front panel and I still have quite a ways to go. I'm very slow at knitting, but we're trying. But I love how it's turning out and I really enjoy the colors that I chose for this, so I'm excited to see. I think we're only like halfway through the bottom part of the front panel. I'm very slow at knitting, but I've just been working on it a little bit each day. Every night I do like 2 or 3 more rows, so hopefully we'll finish it this year. Maybe before winter's over, I don't know. I want to wear it, so hopefully we can finish it. It's just crazy because I know if I was crocheting this sweater it would be done by now, but I don't even know. I think I started maybe like 3 weeks ago or something. I don't know. This was supposed to be a weekly vlog, but then I took a break, so it's just kind of like a month montage vlog, I guess. I don't know. We're just vlogging random stuff until I have enough footage to make a video because I barely have time to film these days, but yeah, I'm just relaxing. I'm watching Stranger Things. I'm on season 2, episode 8. Season 5, the first part of season 5 comes out next Wednesday, so I'm trying to catch up so I can watch it. Well, I'm rewatching. I already watched it, but I'm rewatching because I want a refresher of everything that happened, and yeah, I don't know if I'm going to catch up by next week, but hopefully I don't get any spoilers. So yeah, I'm just gonna knit and watch some Stranger Things. It's almost 9 o'clock. We've made it to season 3 of Stranger Things, and I've probably done like 2 rows of my sweater. But I was also on my phone for a little bit, so could have did more if I was paying full attention, but I was not, so oops.